Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we're going to be having my easy and delicious apple pies. And if you haven't had my apple pie, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need graham biscuits, you will need apple pie filling, you will need caramel, you will need cinnamon, and you will need sea salt. And when I get everything prepped and ready, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to do your apple pie mixture. I already put my apple pie filling in this here thing. And now what you want to do, you want to put you some caramel in there. As much as caramel as you want. Much as you want. It's your pies. Okay? So that right there is about maybe 4 tablespoons. And some cinnamon. That's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And some sea salt. So that's about a tablespoon of sea salt. And what you want to do, you want to just mix it all together. Mix it all together just like that. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Because this is your apple pie mixture. You want to mix it all together just like that. Oh, it's going to taste so good. It already smells good and I ain't even deep fried them yet. Just mix it all together. Just like that. It's all together just like that. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Just like that. And when I come back, I'm going to show you the next step. And now, I have already took my graham biscuits and flatten them out with my pinwheel. And now what you want to do is you want to put you some of this apple pie filling right in the center. Right in the center. Just like that. And you want to seal it off. Just like this. You want to seal it off just like that. Seal it off just like that. You want to take your fork and you want to mash it in just like that to make sure that apple pie filling stays in there. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And that's how you do your apple pies. And the next step, I'm going to show you how to deep fry. And now I'm about to show you how to deep fry them. Just like that. Don't overcrowd your pan at all. Put about 3 or 4 of them at a time in there. That's all you do. Just like that. Now when these pies get done, I'll be right back. I deep fried my apple pie turnovers on a medium-high heat for 2 minutes on each side. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious apple pie turnover. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it